Moringa tea health benefits. Moringa tea is made from the leaves of Moringa oleifera plant. The Moringa tree goes by several common names including the miracle tree. It's known as the drumstick tree because of the shape of its seed pods. It's also commonly called the ben oil tree since it produces benzoin. Another popular name for the tree is the horseradish tree because the roots taste similarly to the rhizome. The Moringa tree is a native to tropical areas throughout Southeast Asia. The largest cultivator of Moringa is India. The tree is also grown for agriculture and medicinal purposes in the Philippines, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nepal, and Taiwan. Moringa seed oil, Moringa roots, and Moringa leaves all contain essential vitamins and nutrients. Research shows that Moringa leaves contain the most nutritional value compared to other plant parts. These benefits include 1. Helps balance blood sugar. Spikes in insulin and blood sugar levels can cause mood swings and sugar cravings and even lead to the development of type 2 diabetes and obesity. The leaf powder has been effective in reducing lipid and glucose levels and regulating oxidative stress in lab studies. One clinical study also showed therapeutic antioxidant properties as well as lower fasting glucose levels in postmenopausal women who took a supplement with Moringa and amaranth leaves for 3 months. One animal study even showed that Moringa in the diet could help reduce weight gain and insulin resistance. 2. Supports brain health. Moringa supports brain health and cognitive function because of its antioxidants and neuroenhancer activities. It has also been tested as a treatment for Alzheimer's disease with favorable preliminary results. Its high content of vitamins E and C fight oxidation that leads to neural degeneration, improving brain function. It's also able to normalize the neurotransmitters serotonin, dopamine, and noradrenaline in the brain, which play a key role in memory, mood, organ function, responses to stimuli such as stress and pleasure, and mental health, for example in depression and psychosis. 3. Protects the liver. Moringa contains high concentrations of polyphenols in its leaves and flowers and protect the liver against oxidation, toxicity, and damage. Moringa can reduce liver damage and fibrosis and reverse oxidation in the liver. Moringa oil also restores liver enzymes to normal levels, reducing oxidative stress and increasing protein content in the liver. The liver is responsible for blood detoxification, bile production, fructose metabolism, fat metabolism, and nutrient processing, and it can only fulfill these functions with the aid of liver enzymes. So it's vital they stay at normal levels. For instance, lower levels of hepatic enzymes can impair its ability to filter the blood. 4. Good for the stomach. Moringa leaves are a benefit shown against digestive disorders. Those who suffer from constipation, bloating gas, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis should add Moringa leaves to their diet. The leaves have antibiotic and antimicrobial properties, which make them an ideal remedy against digestive disorders. Even the high amount of B vitamins in the leaves helps in improving digestion. 5. Improves bone health. Moringa leaves are a rich source of calcium and phosphorus. Both of these elements are needed for bone health. Since Moringa leaves have an anti-inflammatory nature, they help combat arthritis and may even heal bones that are damaged. Moringa oleifera also fights against osteoporosis and keeps bones and teeth strong.